Designs rarely stand still. Even after a project's already started, engineers will often keep refining those designs. IMPS keeps your team up to date by clearly and automatically pulling those updates through. So we'll just go to our orbital rocket. This is the main part that we're building, and add in our newest part, which is a change from the engineers. We'll go to build standard and find our project. This project is already underway, and we've started purchasing some of the longer lead items. But while that was happening, as you saw, engineering has made a change. They've added a new component to the top level assembly. IMPS flags this automatically, as you can see here. Updates available, highlighted in yellow to the project manager, that there's a change to pull through. If we click this button, we see what's changed, and pressing the up arrow here has made the update. And now the trajectory computers have pulled through into the build standard. There's no rekeying, missed parts, or digging around revisions to spot the change and find what's been impacted. In stock levels, if a part has been revised, like this crew seat, IMPS flags that it is an out-of-date part, so nobody's accidentally building with it. As we saw here, as designs change, IMPS makes sure the latest information reaches the right people.